Hello and welcome back to this series again. I'm back with a few more phrasal verbs. As usual, we'll focus on the pronunciation of the phrasal verbs as well as the meanings and a few sentences. So let's begin. The first one is look into again. Consonant, vowel, kinto. Look into. Again, as I said before, the stress is here. This word, look into, to see something in something. So to find out about something. Okay. So for example, managers should look into all the reports carefully. So whenever they are given any document, they should be careful what they see, okay, because they have to check it. There might be mistakes as well. Okay. Then we have look up to. So cup and no connection here, but again, you can already pronounce p and ta like the way they are. So the sound will change a little bit because you have to glide. Look up to, look up, look up. Okay. You can also look up, look up, look up to, look up to, okay? That means to see someone with respect. So you respect someone. So whenever you are doing something important in your life, you could look up to people. For example, I look up to my family whenever I need any advice. Okay? So I look up, okay, to my, yeah? Can you see the connection here now? I look up to my family whenever I need any advice. Need any advice. Yeah. Need any advice. Okay. I look up to my family whenever I need any advice. So this is advice, is a noun. If I change it to an S, it will become a verb, advise. So these things, maybe I will do a lesson later. Next one is mess up. So connecting them. Okay, mess up. When something is unorganized or dirty. I'm nervous. I'll mess up my interview. Okay, so because I'm nervous. Then we have move out. Again, vowel and vowel. The stress is here, so move out. That means you move your house. So with that, you move all your things. Okay. Your bedding, your closets, your tables, chairs, sofas. For example, the meaning could be to move your belongings to another place permanently forever. Okay, so for example, after this month, I'll move out of this house. Okay, again, your voice is dropping here, right? Ending the sentence. Then we could have narrow, and narrow down. So down. So this sound will change a little bit, narrow down, narrow, okay, narrow down. So narrow down, to reduce the number of options or choices that you have, reduce, okay, not reduce, to reduce the number of options. For a good assignment, you should narrow down its scope, okay, scope means what you cover in your assignment, because if you keep it wider, it might be difficult to finish your assignment. So keep it narrow so that you have more focus. Okay. Next one is pay off. So yeah. Again, semi-vowel and vowel. Pay off. To pay back in full. So you make the payment in full. Okay, you pay the whole amount. For example, it can be difficult to pay your debt. Okay, it can be difficult to pay your debt. Debt is like a loan that you've taken from somebody, or you have borrowed money. You need to give that back. So if you pay the whole amount, it's called pay off. Okay, and I think it's a good habit as well to pay off, right? Because then you have to pay extra money. You know, there might be interest and things like that. Alright, so keep practicing. I'll be back with another lesson. Stay tuned.